Hi beauties, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be testing the viral eyeshadow hack which is all over social media. I believe the original creator is Smita Deepak. I'm going to leave her YouTube link in the description box down below. So basically it's an eyeshadow blending hack which looks so simple and effortless. I'm very curious to try it out myself to see what this hype is all about. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with priming my eyelids. I'm using Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas eyeshadow base in the shade medium. And the first step of this technique is to apply the eyeshadow starting from the outer part to inner part in a swiping motion. First, I'm going to place the matte eyeshadow on the very outer part of my lid using a swiping motion with a pencil brush. You can go with a couple of times until you're happy with pigmentation of the eyeshadow. And next to that, I'm going to place a satin matte shadow which has light specks of shimmer in it. Here I'm using a pencil brush, but of course you can use a sponge applicator as well. Then next I'm going to place this bronzy gold shimmer shadow. I'm using the same brush to apply all the eyeshadows and I'm cleaning the brush in between using a towel. Next to that I'm going to place another gold shimmer shadow. Then on the very inner part of the lid I'm placing this pinkish champagne color which is a shimmer shadow. And now using a stiff blending brush, I'm going to start blending out the shadows starting from the outer part to the inner part. I'm using a very light dabbing motion to blend out the shadows. First, I'm working on my matte shadows, then I'm going to move on to the shimmer shadows. And now I'm going to use a sweeping motion to blend out the shadows. Wow, it just took a couple of seconds to blend out these shadows, and keep in mind that it gives a very blended out look. As you guys can see, there are some shimmers which is transferred on the outer part as well, but if you don't mind and if you like a very blended out look, this technique really works. And now I'm going to run this matte shadow on my lower lash line. And highlighting the inner corners with that champagne pink shimmer shadow. And also I'm going to add the liner. You can totally skip this step if you don't want to. And also I'm going to add some mascara on my upper lashes to complete the look. Alright guys, this technique really worked. Look at that, that's so soft and blended. I really like how this look has turned out, and I think this technique works for beginners as well. You can just swipe on a couple of shades, then using a blending brush blend it out. You probably would need just 2 brushes to finish off the look, but it's so easy and effortless, and I personally do really like this technique. Do let me know in the comment section down below, have you guys tried this technique yet, or are you planning to try it? Let me know your thoughts on this technique in the comment section down below. And that completes this video guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you all so much for your love and support. Please subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys very soon. Bye.